Hi guys, today I'm going to take a look at this low-cost endoscope, including the full review and how to use it as a borescope. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, please take a second to show some support by subscribing to my channel. I appreciate every single person, but if you've already done so, well, thank you very much. You are a star. The phone must support OTG function and it should be able to connect to an external camera. It has 6 or 8 LED lights. Camera head diameter is 5.5, 7 and 8 millimeters. Focal distance is about 6 centimeters. Viewing angle is about 70 degrees. On PCs, it supports XP, Windows 7, 8, 9, 10 and Mac. There's some important tips in this user manual, just one piece of paper. Please go through that before operating this. So this is the camera down here and you can see it's got a ring of LEDs around it which light up when it's connected to the phone. Using the controller here, you can switch it on. It's got a little button on it that is for taking a picture. I will show it once I connect it to the app. Controller has a little slider on the side for the LED lighting, and to turn that off, alternate brightness. I will connect this to the PC, to the laptop. Now can use this rotating slider. On the side there is a controller, kind of a wheel, which you can use to control the brightness of the LEDs. This one is with a magnet on the end, so you can pull things that are iron ore which attach to this magnet. This one is a simple metal hook, and then you can use the hook for many other things. And then this one is a tiny little mirror set up at an angle of 45 degrees. So once connected to the camera, in front of the camera, you can screw it up. You will see the sides of the camera, that is whatever it is diagonal to the camera. Lights will reflect from the mirror onto whatever the surface it is showing on the camera. Because of that angle it is set up. It's so tiny, but you can get quite a good clear picture out of that. Here it is. This is how to mount the hook or the one with the magnet onto the camera. First you insert the end into the hole and you get a little plastic collar so that you can lock it onto the camera end. I'll show you that in a bit. It comes with micro USB, USB-C connector, and USB-A adapters, so that you don't need a USB on the go adapter on the phone. Also can use it on the PC or the laptop. And this demonstrates how strong is the magnet is and how much lifting power it got. Now here is the real test. Let me weigh this and show you how heavy this thing is. This steel black paint coated pipe. Just 27 grams. You can work this on the PC as well with the right software. I will show you how it connects and works on the PC screen as well. Go to this website and open the English version here. Then on top you'll find the softwares for the Android. Please download CameraFi, this one, then copy it onto the mobile and run it there. if you feel so. Otherwise, you can directly download it on your mobile. For the PC, you need to download Smart Camera and ViewPlay. You need to download both of these softwares from the website here and then run them. Once installed, you can these softwares to control the camera and record videos, take images, pictures as well. Make sure to remove the small piece of protecting cover from the mirror here. Otherwise, you'll get a poor quality image. It is a 45-degree angled mirror. Will give you a view of 90-degree angle or diagonal items to the camera. And let's look at the pretty good mirror that screws on. As you can see here, I will use this pipe to simulate a scenario, a typical one. It straighten out the cable. I will put the camera in this tube. I will connect this to the laptop via the USB interface and show you how the device works. This is the ViewPlay software. By rotating this slider, you can control the brightness, as you can see here. Take a bit of a maneuvering sometimes to get it exactly how you want it, but it's pretty good. So there we go. This ViewPlay cap software has many options for you to choose from. You can change the resolutions, quality of the video and the images in order to get a better video or quality image. Here you can see a side view, that is the inside walls of the pipe. You can use this rotating slider to increase or decrease LED brightness. And I will focus that on this tablecloth, and I'll let you be the judge of the quality of the mirror, the camera and the reflected image. Here is an image of the user manual through the mirror onto the camera. The quality is quite good when compared with the price tag. This is an image without the mirror that is directly from the camera. See how good the image is. The app for the Android mobile is CameraFi. You can download it from the Play Store or just scan the QR code on the instructions leaflet. I'll open the CameraFi app and give the required permission, and then I will switch to the mobile on-screen display view. Now I'm going to connect it to the mobile through the USB-C port with OTG support. So now the camera is on, LED lights at full blast, and let's move on to the display screen on the mobile. This is the view directly from the camera. There is no mirror attached. Now see how good the quality is. This is one of the best cameras at this price range. It's quite a bargain when compared with the quality of the images or the video. You need to get the camera into the correct focus distance in order to get a better picture. It's a bit tricky. Other than that, the camera is quite good. So, by pressing the button on the controller, you can capture an image just like this. You can use these controls to get the desired video or the image. Here are some more advanced controls for you to manipulate. I will leave for you to judge the quality of the camera. Please put a comment what type of endoscope or bow sight cameras you use and their price point and the quality when compared with this. What are your thoughts about them? With all that guys, it's the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please support this channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Have a nice and a lovely day. See you next time. Bye.